So I wanted to make a video because this showed up. It is the second generation of squatted truck that Whistling Diesel did. This is the first. So he just took a squatted truck and then made it no longer a squatted truck. And with the second set he did of these, I have to open this funny. He put some cards in there to that he could get money or possibly a chance to meet him. Figured I'd record me opening. Also, I don't know what I'm gonna get. I'm actually hoping for the empty one because that would be funny as hell. Oh, I got one that's broken. It's broken. The jar is broken. That's a bummer, man. That's gonna be fun to sort out later. I don't even know what parts this is, but look, it's squatted truck trash. oh, I got a screw or something. That's fun. No, that's from wiring. That's not a screw. Huh. Some more stuff. Yep, that's mildly disappointing that it came in busted. He did sign all the lids though, at least, so I will clean that out later. There's the lid. So yeah. Womp womp. Came in busted. Come on, WD. You can do better than that, man. Alright, whatever.